What's going on, everybody? Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be looking at some ALGO signals here. Oops. Here, pretty soon. Oops, we forgot to turn that on. Let's go. Just got a buy signal. Not too. Where was that at? At 1531 here on XELA. Let's check out WETG real quick. Sales signal on negative currently. Anything interesting right now? Let's check it out. I'm almost gonna get a broader look. CLA is back flying. Let's go back to it. Current buy signal here. Yup, still showing buy, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see how this thing. See how accurate this thing is, ladies and gentlemen. Mullen here currently is seeing. Still barcoding. Volume is very, very low right now here on Mullen. EV quickly. Fiscal second. That was cool. Nothing new here today. Production habits. Facility in July. Let's check that out. Mississippi production. Said Wednesday it will start production of its electric vehicles at its manufacturing center in Mississippi. July delivers written. The company said that it trapped in. Okay, that is strange, guys. That even though Mullen has continued to come out with filler news, we're still not seeing too much price action at all. Very interesting what happens after today. Very, very interesting. Let's go to this. PLEPGY. CP3I is holding up pretty well. One of my favorite in the artificial intelligence sector here. Elon Musk said very much that was short. I said months ago when Elon Musk made that announcement about artificial intelligence, it was just him playing a strategic move, and it is starting. It came out not too long ago. Yeah, I think C3 AI has, let's check out this day chart. I think 33, yeah, 34 was the recent high back in early April. I see this thing saying those $30 levels before the end of June. And we're quite early in this artificial intelligence hype, if you ask me, guys. The EV hype ran for 2 years straight. So we're quite early here in artificial intelligence, if you ask me. Let's check out how many likes we got on the video. Don't forget to smash that like on the video, guys. It really does help the channel grow. In fact, it gets YouTube to recommend the live stream when you guys leave likes here. So don't forget to smash that like button, ladies and gents. We got 13 likes, guys. I know we can do better than that. So if that's you forgot to, don't forget to smash that like button. But C3AI is one of those plays. If I were you, I wouldn't look past that one. XELA still dancing around those same prices. TSP took a dive back here as well. I think majority of the plays have seen a high here on the day. Let's check out this 5-minute ranking on all. I really don't like using all stocks because could be a lot of OTCs. They list a lot of OTCs on that. Let's see if you just here's a slight jump here. TIO. This thing is severely overbought. This thing been bought. These is one of those plays you just be like, man, I'm mad I missed it. You know, where was I when this was going on? Huh? Look at that thing. Sheesh, and it's up another dub. Wow. Still buy signal here. XELA and didn't turn to a flip just yet to sell. But this behemoth. Yeah, that thing showed buy signal since the 23rd of March. Still hasn't flipped to sell yet. Still hasn't flipped to sale here on the day either for RUTIO. If you're in TIO, let me know in the comment section below, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see what else is here. Nothing really. Things are starting to slow down here. Tesla's starting to pick up slightly back towards those $180 levels. Let's see here. That 217 was a nice run. Will Tesla touch those $200 levels here before the summer is over? It's likely to happen. I do think we're going to see a little rally here in the EV market here in the summer. Not saying Mullen may get majority of that, but I think we're going to see a little run, especially with the semiconductor sector planned to do how well. Better than those. And drop the floor to $70. We may be seeing some dilution come into play here in Mullen, guys. Later down the line, please don't be shocked when it happens, because in order for them to actually get that Mullen 5 up and running in fashionable time, reason why they're putting it back, I believe they don't want to have to do something like that. So to stop doing that, let's just push it back and focus on B1, the B2, our commercial vehicles, that untapped industry. Those spotter trucks is gonna make some big money, guys. But Mullen isn't doing anything. That is tomorrow. XELA has failing cross. Across the stay at the 5-minute ranking. GDC is topped on 5-minute ranking. Shit, right. Just got 5-6. Yo, Jason, shout out to Jason becoming a member of the channel. Good looking, Jason. Welcome to the early feet. Anything you want to talk about? Any ticker you want me to bring up here? Check out for you, Jason. Let me know in the comment section below. But it looks like PACW is starting to pick up. Anything you want me to look at on the algo, Jason? Just let me know, pal. Oh buddy, oh pal. But as you guys see here, this thing hasn't flipped. I'm trying to show you guys how accurate this algo is. But it's still showing a buy signal because it hasn't actually flipped to sell yet. But that's a great thing for those that is actually in the play, right? Still showing a buy. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, ladies and gentlemen. We got 21 likes, 29 people watching. Numbers don't add up, right? But as you guys see here, it hasn't flipped just yet. That's a very great sign and symbol for those that is continuing to hold this play, especially those that got this thing at that low buy here and rode it through that quick sale. But this thing actually works in real time, ladies and gentlemen. And as you guys can see here, if we do replay it, I mean, we can replay it to here. To where's the first? Let's go to the day chart really quickly. Find that first buy here, which is PCW. Okay, this thing has shown a buy since January 25th. That's been quite some time. Let's check this out. Since the 25th. January 25th. Starting to pick up as well. XELA is tracing already. WETG, this thing is about to go bankrupt here pretty soon. Market cap sitting at 12.52 million. That's on NASDAQ, man. That is crazy. Share flow here currently 62 million. So I'm trying to put in perspective a reverse stock split situation at this price. Sheesh. Need at least 1 for 18 at this price. A 1 for 20 will get the job done. But 1 for 18 at least at this 6-cent levels. That would reduce this share price here, because seeing what's going on with XELA is very, very interesting. And the only reason why this thing is fluctuating the way it is, up and down, is because the rope is small. Alright, the rope is small. This is like a tug of war, guys, buying and selling back and forth. Low share flow. So many short shares. This thing had so many pre-existing short shares before the reverse stock split. In the day of the reverse stock split, the stock dropped so far down, guys. It put many short positions in a pot of money, and they're locking in the gains, going back. Now it's just with that low amount of shares, guys, it doesn't take a lot of selling or buying to sway the price. And the way these orders are being filled here currently, the selling is currently outweighing it. But let's see, just during this little stint, let's check out our active buy and active sell during the intraday. Got a wide range, but what price we at? 750, 754. Wide range, guys. Around those. I mean, total transactions here during the trading day, 56,000 throughout the trading day. That is a lot. So that is a lot here for XELA, guys. Just looking at the numbers before pre-reverse stock split during the trading day. Check this out. This is crazy. We're at the intraday, 17th, we're at 56,000. 16th, 98,000. That was throughout the whole day, throughout the whole trading day. 15th, 13,000. 12, 20,000. 11. You see a total transaction of 10.61 thousand throughout the trading day. Now get this. After reverse stock split, 98,000. Yesterday was a big day. On the reverse stock split day, 13,000. But get this, here today, guys, already at 56.54 thousand total transactions throughout the trading day alone here in XELA, and that is outstanding numbers in comparison to a share float of 6.37 million. That is why we're seeing sways back and forth like we are. Now, total trading volume throughout the trading day is high as well. But that neutral share orders, that's outstanding. Right now it's kind of high, but we did see that early this morning. We didn't see that early this morning. You got to keep your eyes out on this thing. This thing shift quickly. Far as active buy orders and sales. Let's see what it is. Bam. Let's get this going. One moment, ladies and gentlemen. Just hasn't flipped to sell buy yet. Okay, still sell signal right there. Nothing has changed. It may flip to buyer in a second, so I'll be doing an early buy like right now into it. And I see a SAR flip. Wise. Tesla still pushing. We see AMD crossing that 102. He up 27%, man, just in 2 weeks of trading. That ain't much, right, guys? We tend to pull that off in a penny stock in 3 minutes. Crazy, isn't it? But still, man, this is a more secure, safe trade than, of course, these WETGs and XELAs. I mean, you can make a nice, pretty buck off a swing in XELA. The momentum will be there, especially with the demand that we see here. But being caught at the wrong time with your pants down here in XELA, man, you will be down 20 to 40% faster than you know it. Vice versa as well. So that's why I'm like, AMD 2 weeks, 20% is a solid move, man. Because you don't expect 20% to the downside in AMD at all in 2 weeks. But XELA, during a bear run, let's say that, a bear tumble, you may see that thing flash back 60 to 80% off your existing entry. And it's crazy, man. It is crazy. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to let you guys go and be looking out for another video here pretty soon that I will be dropping here on the channel about Mullen and a few other plays. But I will be doing live streams much. I'm back, brother, with you. Think about what I think about ACHV. Let's get to it. I was almost out of here, man. I was almost out of here, Jason. Let's see what we got. This thing, and we have crossed this. We stand a great chance to go drop back towards those $7 even. Jason, I say, well, yeah, we got a good chance to fall back towards those $7 even here. We're just looking at this on a chart. One moment. Yeah, we're just looking here at the chart. Okay, let me get some more. Aggressive, not too aggressive here on short-term ratios, but we do see a short interest pickup here in ACHN. Let me see what we're thinking. Long-term investment, Jason, or you're just talking about as far as a quick trade style play? Let me know. Check on my phone so I don't have to keep going back to because this thing stands a great chance to fall back towards that 709. Let's go to position cost distribution really quickly. PCD. Oh, we love to look at that PCD, ladies and gentlemen. Profit ratio sitting here at 74.25. That is a great one, and that degree overlap looks even better. Just crossed that middle strike. Like I said, risk is $7 even, all right? But it stands a great chance to set another high past that 1030, but I do believe that this thing will consolidate around those $9 levels before it makes its next leg up towards that. But I don't see this dropping below $7, and I don't see it running past this top of 950 at all the remainder of this week. So that's why I'm asking, are we talking long-term hold or investment? I think Jason got think Jason left. But yeah. This thing also has been running all year long, if you really think about it. Gee, life. We see a market cap of 139 million. Okay, so this is okay. No revenue yet. EPS looks great as well. Let's get quarter. Man. Okay, assets does outweigh the liabilities. That's something very important, but I want to see a slightly wider range on that. I want to see if this thing had any reverse stock splits or any type of thing like that. That's why I like MULN so much, guys. Everything is organized. All I got to do to find out if this thing had a stock split is just go here. And also, yes, things has had a combination. Okay. This thing has had multiple stock splits. Wasn't known that, but that doesn't pay a dividend. Also, you can actually see the shareholder statistics. Very, very key with their name and institution. That's why I like MULN so much, guys. Everyone's like, why do you use MULN over Webull or Robinhood? Robinhood, if you ask me, is for a novice trader. Webull, it's a very great trading platform. Do not get me wrong, but they just don't have all the data that an analyst or someone that's trying to get an edge on trading would want to use. So that's why you want to use a trading platform that has everything you will need. So again, guys, if you do want to sign up for MULN, just to let everybody know, using my sign up link in the description gives everyone 20 free stocks. But it's not in this description. You have to go to one of my old videos and sign up that way. Using any other link, I think they give you like 4 free stocks, but me being sponsored by MULN, they do give me a special link, so 20 free stocks. Let's see. I mean, we do see some huge institutional presence here in ACHV as well. Those that don't know MULN numbers, that is curious. We do see a change. 18 new companies has invested into the MULN. That's the change. Total share held, as you guys can see here, 5.54 million shares has increased in institutional holdings here in MULN. For those that is concerned. Shareholder statistics, as you guys want to maybe know. David McHenry. Is the leading individual shareholder, the majority shareholder as an individual. BlackRock not too far off. We do see Taryn P. Pizer, also a holdings company, has a heavyweight, is also a heavyweight here in MULN. As you guys know, we have been through some stock splits here in MULN. Financial statements. They have it all here, guys. Whatever you need. Seems as though that MULN has seen a slight bounce. What is going on? What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Mullen is bouncing slightly, making a high of the day. Does this mean anything? No, it does not. Tomorrow means, even if we close at $1.30, $1.35, all we really want is to close above $1 here today. And what happens next week will be faced. But the obstacle today is getting through the day, which seems as though that it isn't going to be hard, but that's the only obstacle currently here in Mullen. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're new to the live stream, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check out those bid orders here for Mullen really quickly. Bid size Mullen. Heavy bid numbers coming in right now, guys. 13,000. 14, 15. That's dang, those are wild numbers. Woo! Let's check out that active buy and active sale. Tell me where you're gonna get a chart like this at. Name me one trading platform that's gonna give this active buy and active chart, this active sale chart, broken down in 3 different trading intervals, and you can sum it up all in one, giving you 5 days of history. It's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, we're starting to see a charge here. Where we at $1? We're seeing the charge. That active buy is heavy on that active sale at $1.27. Looks like we're going to reach and breach that with ease. Name me one other trading platform that gives you a chart like this, ladies and gentlemen. You won't find one. That's why I use MULN. Again, guys, if you do want to sign up for MULN stuff, use my link so you can get those 20 free stocks. If not, just sign up. Either way, you're going to be able to use this data. You don't even have to even deposit any money to use the data, ladies and gentlemen. You can just use it and trade on your TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, Webull, Public, Schwab, JP Morgan even has a trading platform now. Yep, we reached and breached that with these, like I said, but yeah, man. Anything anyone want to look at? Any YouTube members here watching the live stream that actually wants me to talk about a certain ticker, look it over, what's my thoughts on it? Your opportunity is now before I get out of here. Let's get back to the actual live stream so I can get here from, man. That active buy just filled 124,000 just in a second, just like that. That's why I say, guys, you gotta watch this thing. That neutral isn't a slouch either. That neutral will, in fact, make us hold that $1.29 for a little bit longer than actually just blowing through it, because the neutral is so heavy, we just blew through it. But the neutral is so heavy, guys. It's like, I call it the sandbag. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. We got 28 people that smashed the like button. We just need two more to go. I'll take the dirty 30 and I'm out. Let's see. There goes that downwards pressure. Let's see that fund flow as well. Let's check out that intraday. I bet you extra large outflow just picked up. As it take it, heavy extra large outflow. Let me see that. No, it's still in. I don't know if the data, it takes a few seconds, but I'm pretty sure we're going to see a drop off that extra large from that 267. Seems like some short orders were just filled. Yup, and there goes the drop off we see. 246, not much, but short orders were just filled. On an extra large scale, it's hard to pinpoint. Only 11,000 transactions has went through so far here in Mullen throughout the trading day. A lot of people tend to get that mixed up with volume. That has nothing to do with the volume. Volume is the total amount of shares, ladies and gentlemen. But we're just looking at the intraday. Pre-market was quite heavy as well this morning in volume. But again, guys, I'm going to let everyone go and be looking out for an update video on Mullen here today. Also, me in flight. Me and the Making Easy Money analysts will be having more live streams and live signals over on the Discord server, guys. So if you're on the server and watching this, just to give you a heads up, we will be using this ALGO over on the server as well. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the games be with you.